When I arrived at work this morning, one of the teachers corralled me in a bit of a panic because he had sent an email in last Thursday about a door that wasn't working. I said I'm sorry. I wasn't working last Thursday or Friday, but I'm here today and I'm on it.
Buckle up for safety as I give you a day in the life of facilities maintenance.
So one of the first things I do when I respond to a problem is diagnose. I want to figure out what's actually going on because the description that the person gives me sometimes isn't always accurate. And you can see with this door, I can open and close it, and my key does work in it. However, the whole lever set moves back and forth about 3/8 of an inch. Something is either broken and needs replacing, or something needs adjusting. Now in this case, what can happen with these older style lever sets is there are these threaded rings on either side, and they're normally used to adjust the positioning of the whole lever set itself to find center. They've come loose, which is why this thing is really sloppy. Now it wouldn't surprise me if there's actually a proper tool for tightening these things up. Usually I can get it to go with a screwdriver or something like that. Hey, so do you guys remember like a long time ago when I said that one of the first things I like to do is diagnose? Well, as it turns out, that's not the first thing I should do. I went to the door of the teacher's classroom who actually brought the problem to my attention, and it wasn't his door. He was talking about the one across the hall. If I can say one thing about these old door levers, there are a whole lot of moving parts. So with these new lever sets, there are a lot fewer moving parts. They're actually much nicer to work with. Make sure, if you're ever installing one, that you don't throw away the key that comes with it. Even though you're going to be swapping out that cylinder, you are going to need that key that comes with it to remove the handle in order to remove the old cylinder and swap it out with the new one. So it's at this point right here that I realize that there is something not quite right with this brand new classroom lever set. I can't get the key to turn all the way, and I'm confirming on the box that it says classroom. As it turns out, this is actually a storeroom lever set, and it was most likely packaged wrong at the factory.
What's the verdict?
The verdict is, well, this is shot.
Yeah.
I'm looking at this. This came out of a classroom lever set box, which means you should be able to unlock it.
Right.
But it's like my office door
Stays.
that's always locked. This is actually what they call a storeroom.
This one you can
box.
always leave unlocked or locked.
Yeah, that's as classrooms are supposed to be.
Oh, so the new one you're trying to install.
The new one I'm trying to install,
Supposed to be that.
I just put the cylinder over there. There's nothing wrong with the cylinder. That's fine. The reason it was spinning around in this one is because this was just broken internally. But this should be, I should be able to unlock this, and I can't. They put the wrong product in that box.
I'm cleaning up right now. You may have noticed the background noise, lots of kids' voices. It's lunchtime right now and they're going to want to use this space to have lunch and whatnot. Fortunately, I have other lever sets in boxes that are brand new, and providing they've been packaged correctly, we'll be on our way. Let's try this one more time. This one also says classroom. This is the part where I was saying don't throw away the key, because you need to insert the key and turn it about a quarter of the way in order to be able to depress the little release catch, which will allow you to hold the lever off like I just did here. And here I'm comparing the length of the tail pieces just to make sure that they're going to be compatible. Sometimes they're not, and you have to switch them. So, unlike the other lever set, now that I've swapped the cylinders, I can put my key in, I can turn it all the way around, and everything seems to be working just fine. Locked, you can see that is not moving. This is what pulls the strike back. That's not moving. Now it's unlocked. So this one will be okay. Eric popped in to visit, and since his office is at the back side of this classroom and he unlocks his door every morning when he comes into work, I just thought I'd let him test drive it to make sure it's working fine for him as well.